Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Services.exe high CPU usage error on Windows. When the Services and Control app will start hogging 20% to 100% of your CPU, your cooling fans will run incredibly loud and your computer will noticeably lag. So let's see how to fix this one. So first you need to verify it is a real system file, that means not a malware. To do that, you need to press Ctrl Shift and ESC to open the task manager, or else you can right click on the start menu, go to task manager, go to the details tab, scroll down until you locate services.exe. Okay, it is right here. Right click on it and select open file location. Okay, if the folder that opens is strictly C Windows System 32 like this file is 100% legitimate. If it opened into your downloads, temp or app data folders, you have found a virus. Download it and run a deep scan using trusted tool like Malware kind of things. So the second method is restart the Windows Management Instrumentation WMI service. To do that, you need to press Windows and R on your keyboard. It will open run menu, then type services.msc and hit enter. Services. Scroll all the way down until you find Windows Management Instrumentation. Scroll down like this. Okay, you can see Windows Management Instrumentation is here. Right click on it, click on restart option. Then after you can again right click on it, go to task manager, check your CPU usage using this one. If it is drops down to the 0 to 1%, a glitch background program was responsible. And the third method is clean reinstall your graphic card drivers. So you need to right click on the start menu, go to device manager, expand the display adapters, right click on your existing driver, go to uninstall device. Do not tick this one, keep it as it is, tap on uninstall and then restart your computer. Then once it is restarted, your Windows will automatically reload and clean copy of your drivers. And this fourth method is perform a clean boot to isolate third-party software. To do that, go to start menu, search for run, tap on it, then you need to type msconfig. Sorry about that. Config and hit enter. Go to the services tab like this. This is a critical step. Check the box at the bottom that says hide all Microsoft services like this. Click the disable all option to right side. Then you need to go to the startup tab, click on open task manager and disable all the listed programs. Currently this is disabled, this is enable. So each and every one should be make as a disable like this and like this. Then you can click on apply and OK. Then you need to restart your computer, then it will be fixed. And the fifth method is patch system hives using SFCO and DISM. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type CMD, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, then type DISM /online /clean up -image /restore health and hit enter. Once that finished processing, run the file alignment system check by entering this command sfc /scan now and hit enter, then restart your computer.